He's gonna have to go right out that fucking door. He's gonna take off again.
Oh yeah.
That's why the perch weren't fucking biting too good.
You can put him on the floor though.
Yeah, but he ain't gonna stay on the floor too fucking long. He's gonna be just flipping right out.
Craig fighting that big pike.
Not yet, boy?
And you can hear the pole just a screaming. Fish on.
He's gonna go fucking ballistic when I get him fucking up here.
I seen him come by, buddy, and fucking he missed mine and he grabbed yours.
Well, he turned. Then I came through my hole, and then I seen him do a 180, and he came back.
Oh yeah, you got him hooked good too. You ain't losing him, put it that way.
It looks like it's just in the side of his. It ain't on his teeth, anyways, eh? It's on the side, outside of his mouth.
Yeah.
It sucks when they got to eat down their throat because of fucking teeth on them damn things. No, I'm just gonna get his head up the hole, and I'm gonna get my finger under his gill and just fucking. Come on, boy, up the hole. Up here. I just hate doing it on this side.
Fish on, boys.
Alright.
Woo.
He's going out that door, Peter.
Okay.
You gotta open up that door for him.